21 ways you are hurting your cat without realizing. Must-know tips for responsible cat owners. In this video, we'll explore the 21 ways you are hurting your cat without realizing, to ensure you're the best cat parent you can be. So, let's jump right in. T1. Neglecting environmental enrichment. First up, it's all about keeping our feline friends mentally stimulated. Cats love to explore and play, so make sure they have enough toys, scratching posts, and safe spaces to climb. It's like a kitty wonderland right in your home. 2. Inadequate litter box care. Did you know that your cat's bathroom habits can reveal a lot about their health and happiness? Regularly scooping and cleaning the litter box not only keeps your home fresh, but also ensures your cat feels comfortable doing their business. Remember, 1 litter box per cat plus 1 extra is a golden rule. Improper handling. Our cats may not show it, but they have preferences too. Avoid rough handling, sudden movements, and always let them come to you for affection. Remember, a slow blink from your cat is like a "I love you" in their language. Ignoring dental health. Just like us, cats need dental care too. Dental issues can lead to serious health problems. Introduce regular brushing and dental treats into your cat's routine to keep those pearly whites shining. Unbalanced diet. Feeding your cat the right way is crucial. Consult your vet to choose a balanced diet that suits your cat's age, weight, and health. And remember, treats are great, but moderation is key. Overlooking vet visits. Annual checkups are a must. Regular visits to the vet help catch potential problems early, keeping your feline friend in the best shape possible. It's an investment in their well-being. Not providing safe outdoor time. Some cats love the outdoors, but safety first. If you're considering outdoor time, invest in a cat harness and leash, and always supervise. It's a great way to enrich their lives while keeping them secure. Stressful environments. Cats are sensitive souls. Loud noises, changes in routine, or even new furniture can stress them out. Create a peaceful environment with hideaways, cozy beds, and soothing music to help them relax. Using wrong grooming tools. Grooming is essential for your cat's well-being, but using the wrong tools can lead to discomfort. Choose brushes and combs suitable for your cat's fur type, and turn grooming into a bonding experience. Not respecting personal space. While we love snuggles, cats sometimes need their alone time. Respect their personal space and let them come to you when they're ready for affection. It'll strengthen your bond. Skipping playtime. Playtime isn't just fun, it's a vital outlet for your cat's energy and instincts. Interactive toys like feather wands and laser pointers mimic hunting, keeping your kitty active and happy. Segment 12. Harsh discipline. Host, speaking gently, discipline with love. Yelling or physical punishment can harm your cat's trust in you. Instead, use positive reinforcement and redirection to guide their behavior. allowing access to toxic plants. Some plants are toxic to cats. Research and opt for pet-friendly greenery to keep your home both stylish and safe for your feline friend. Ignoring parasite prevention. Fleas, ticks, and worms can cause serious health issues. Regular parasite prevention treatments are a must. Consult your vet to find the best options for your cat. Unsecured windows and balconies. Curious cats might wander too close to open windows or balconies. Secure these areas with screens or nets to prevent accidents. Using strong chemicals. Cats are curious, and they groom themselves. Opt for pet-friendly cleaning products to avoid exposing your cat to harmful chemicals. Not providing enough hydration. Proper hydration is key to a cat's health. Consider a water fountain to encourage drinking, especially if your cat prefers running water. Leaving small objects around. Tiny objects can be enticing, but they pose a choking hazard. Keep small items out of your cat's reach to prevent accidents. Overlooking signs of illness. Cats are masters at hiding illness. Be vigilant and look for changes in behavior, appetite, or litter box habits. If something seems off, consult your vet. Not socializing kittens early. Early socialization is vital for kittens. Expose them to various people, experiences, and other pets to ensure they grow up confident and well-adjusted. Segment 21. Not having a backup plan. Life is unpredictable. Have a plan for emergencies, like a natural disaster or sudden illness, to ensure your cat's safety and well-being. And there you have it, 21 ways you might unknowingly be hurting your cat and how to make positive changes. Remember, being a responsible cat owner means constant learning and adapting. Let's shower our furry friends with all the love and care they truly deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow cat enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay perfectly pawsome.